ranchers. We gotta make an icon.
Ooh, pretty. Let's see how this
Wait,
goes.
you can make it with purple little bugger.
We gotta find something purple.
There's
I
a
saw something purple before, but
You
oh,
look
actually no,
purple.
that's the fly. The fly. Is that fly? What is that?
That's a firefly.
It's firefly. Oh, okay. Casual
Fire.
adventure rush. Oh, the amethyst!
Oh.
Or the amethyst duo and Pluto. Lovely.
And Pluto.
And
Blue.
I'm here. I'm new.
Yeah, Blue's here. Hey.
I'm new here. Technical.
I had to shorten
No,
the
I
and to N. 1,000 light years away from Earth. Anna, I don't care. I don't
Shut the
care.
heck up. We don't care
Oh.
about love.
Oh frick, it's not letting me use my controller.
Oh no.
Move keyboard to front. I'm playing on the daycare's computers.
Oh, Christopher.
Uh-oh.
That's gonna go great.
I am. Oh no.
Good luck.
I'm figuring out the controls, guys.
Good luck. I'm just already
Yippee.
messing with something up here.
Where are you? Come here.
Oh, you just went Ghostbuster style on that thing.
Wow.
Wow.
I need, like, keys to do stuff. Yeah, you know what? These are fine.
Oh.
Let's go with it. It's fine.
Come here, mother.
Wow.
Wow.
How do I? In.
Bonk, bonk.
Go in.
And I know I give you food. The reason I know all of this is because of the fact that I've played the game before.
So you're the
Wow.
expert. I'm just gonna sit here and watch you play.
Same.
I love this game way too much. How do I? Oh, oops. No, you come back here.
Good job.
We were trying to escape.
It can't escape. They are trying to escape. If I don't upgrade the walls, they try and leave.
There's no
Yeah.
escape.
Oh.
Okay, so it's not gonna leave me alone until I suck up the carrots and stuff.
Suck them up. Suck up the
Pink
carrots.
slimes
Hey.
eat anything. The other ones have. How do I change the?
There you go. Press 1, 2, 3, and 4
Sorry,
probably.
I have something on real quick. I got options.
Wow.
Bam.
Okay.
Good. You good? You good there, Glitch?
Yeah. You good?
I cannot talk
Yep.
there.
I had a little silly.
Well.
Yeah.
In.
Get some. Eat carrots.
Eat, you dimwit.
Ah, Eat the carrot.
Oh.
These are the most gluttonous thing on earth. The pink slimes.
Uh-huh.
They're fine. They're good. It's all great.
I need to get I need to get used to using keyboard controls. I use a controller.
I mean,
Uh-oh.
controls are honestly better.
I have my controller hooked up to the daycare thing usually. So I like it when the games let me use controllers.
Oh. That's understandable, to be honest.
Oh my.
I don't know how I'm getting that one down.
How did that happen?
I don't care about Casey.
Oh.
What?
I've decided I don't care about whoever the frick Casey is.
Oh.
So basically, we kidnap these slimes from the wild.
Yeah!
Oh.
Luckily, this game
Yeah.
doesn't have much combat, so I don't need to worry about the keyboard controls being a bad thing.
Yeah.
Fine.
I've never beaten the game before, so that will be new if I get to a certain part that I haven't gotten to. I've decided the pink slimes suck. I don't want any more of them.
No.
Ouch. Wow. Ow.
That's
To
Or
discover
pink
new
slimes.
slimes, you must kidnap new ones. But these ones, oops,
Okay.
these ones also suck. I want the cat ones.
oh.
There's that one?
Come here! Astro would be very mad at me for...
Tabby
Come back to
slime.
you. They're so cute. They're little adorable little balls of fluff.
Why would Astral be mad?
Because he's a cat.
Fair enough.
Give me the fruit. So
You have
far,
to go to
I've
the
only
other.
walked forward. I haven't pressed any of the other keys.
You don't really need to when you can just look around.
Unless you need to walk backwards.
Yeah. But you haven't had to yet, I guess.
I literally just had to.
Oh.
Good job.
Boing.
Boing boing.
Walking, walking. We're on our way. We're on our way.
Hehe. Oh, Tabby cat!
Die, you.
No, don't die. Don't say die.
Oh, chickens.
Hey, wait. Wait a sec. Well,
Y'all
that
good?
was lucky. That was incredibly lucky. Okay, I can't
What
take that type. You see that gold slime that was making ringing noises?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's a rare thing. That's not usually happens.
No.
I'm gonna get out of here before frickin' I keep forgetting I don't have any of the upgrades for my original save file.
Oh, no.
And I keep trying to use the jetpack.
Nice.
Oh.
Just
Just,
nice.
that's not there.
Not the smartest move there, Glitch.
Wrong button.
Yippee! I know the locations of most of the Gordos as well. You were about to figure out what that is, seeing as I'm gonna bring us there.
Yeah, fair enough.
You see that?
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
We gotta feed it. And then it gives us a key. You.
Give it food.
Well, we gotta
That's
feed it
so-
until it, like, explodes.
Oh.
No!
We
no!
literally have to murder it.
Whoa, no!
Oh.
We cannot feed it other slimes.
No!
Nice. Finally. And we get ornaments.
Why? Why
It's
does
the
the
same
game do that?
Haha.
That, I hate that. No.
Poor slime.
This game is horrible.
This game's fine.
No.
Don't worry,
Oh.
they go to. Don't worry, they don't actually die. They just blew up into a bunch of mini versions.
No.
Hey,
Don't worry, they're not dead. They didn't die.
good.
At least I hope they didn't.
Good.
I don't know
I-
the logic of this game. And it's gonna
game-
turn
Well-
night soon, so we we gotta dispose of some things. Actually, no, we don't have enough upgrades to get the firefly slimes yet. Damn it.
Firefly slimes?
We get home before... I'll use the slime key tomorrow because I know exactly the place I want to go.
Oh.
How long have we been playing for?
Have zero idea.
Well.
Pluto has a timer up.
Yeah, I do. I have a timer. We have like 4 minutes
You got 4 minutes? Cool.
Already?
of recording time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Time flies when you're having fun, I guess. And you're mourning the loss of a giant slime that you thought was cute.
Murder.
Murder.
Astral would love, like, Astral would be sad because there's only like one. You can't starve your slimes.
Good!
I'm
That's
starting
a
to
good
think I'm
thing.
incredibly stupid. Yeah, Astral
What?
would be sad about it though. He's like mass murderer boy number 7.
Oh.
We don't ask who's number 6.
We don't tell Astral about this game at all.
Yeah.
Or does he already know?
You can. There's only like one way to kill slimes.
What is it?
I need like one more buck to get high wall. How the frick?
No
That
question
way!
how! No question how! Just let it happen! Let them be free!
No, they're not allowed to be free. Like, that's the whole point. We're literally supposed to kidnap these things out of the wild.
Aww. Ooh, chicken!
Where are you? Eat your food, you... I'm not gonna curse at the slime. I'm not gonna curse at the slime.
Don't cuss at the slime. Don't cuss at the slime.
No, 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 no.
Why is
Here.
the chicken back there?
I love how they
Oh,
make the
gosh.
ow sound effects.
The poor things.
They
Poor
want-
guy.
They're in pain.
Oh.
I just
Okay.
want to pet them and hug them. I love them.
Okay.
Stop escaping.
How is that one escaping?
Just keep getting
Not
out.
anymore. How much minutes do we have before we have to do the outro?
We have 2 minutes, and well, actually, we have 2 minutes and 3. Yeah, 10.
Yeah, I just realized I made you start the timer early anyway. Just in case.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, let's wait for the night to end, sleep until morning, and we go get...
Oh, I
go
love your
unlock-
avatar. Oh my god.
We gotta go unlock that door.
Unlock
We
door.
probably will play a bit of this game off screen, because it is very fun to play.
It's
We'll
so
just make a
fun.
separate...
fun.
We're making a separate save to play off screen, so I can get used to controls.
Yeah,
Next time we come back, guys, there'll be a pro at this. There'll be absolute pro at this then.
I
definitely.
won't. I'm not very good at learning.
Definitely, you'll be a pro.
You'd be so
No
pro.
pressure.
We could just quit and it'll like save where we were beforehand. Sorry I made
Yeah.
that slime explode in front of you.
I still am mad at that, but I'm not gonna say anything else about it.
Neum. We don't have any firefly slimes out.
We have
Hopefully next episode-
we have 50 seconds.
Okay, well, I made you start the timer early and I'll just crop out some of the start of the video.
Okay. I'm gonna say it now. Thank you for watching, guys. Because I don't know when this is gonna quit. And
When we open this goddamn door into the
I gotta go
best
back.
area in this game.
oh.
Okay, but guys, we're going